Hello. Welcome, guys. And today we are opening the box on a 2023 Dodge Charger. Guys, this is the Scat Pack. And this will go from the 2015 to 2023 vehicles, guys. This is a beautiful black wrap, and it has ash inserts with perforation. This is already built for heating and cooling because these vehicles normally come equipped with it. But if you have the lower series and you want something like this, it's available, guys, in any color and virtually for any vehicle. So this will fit the 2015 to 2023, the Police, the RT, the SXT, the Hellcat, the GT, and we have it for virtually any single vehicle, guys. Now, why you want to have something like this in your car? Because this is not just seat covers, guys. This is not something that you put on top. This is real upholstery work with real leather, guys. This is not the cheap stuff. This takes time to install because this is basically what we put in the cars when they're rolling out of the factory. So, and this one, especially this one, is the same thing that you will order in your dealership. No different, guys. So this is the real deal. All right, guys. And if you want to have a transformation like this in over 60 different colors, combinations, constructions, piping, special editions, we got you covered, guys, at LeatherTeck.com by airbag-safe. And as I was saying, guys, to you, this is not your cheap stuff. You see this foam right there is called the reticular foam. It's designed especially for cooling and heating systems. And when you order these things, guys, this is not the cheap stuff. You see, it has the reinforcements right here for the airbags, and these are being certified, so you have a peace of mind. This is exactly the same product as the original equipment from the manufacturing. Now you have your beautiful Scat Packs logos right there, because as the dealer intended, you want to get your two buckets just like this. You have your center console. If you decide to change all this for some cars like in this one, then we're going to be showing you how it looks when it came in and how it's going to go when we finish. You will see that all these pieces will not be there because they're already existing from the car. But let's say you change the color, you want to change all this. So you're going to have the 4 armrests for the 4 doors and the 4 panels for the door panels. And let's see what else. The armrests, you have the 2 sides. This is in the rear, guys. This is the little ends in the lean back, and obviously the lean back. And it has the factory carpet, guys, just like it was intended from the dealerships. This is a replacement full upholstery kit for the seats, guys. This is not the cheap seat cover stuff that you put on top. It doesn't work that way. You have your armrests. Those are integrated already there. So this is the armrest that goes here. And guys, I'm gonna be doing this installation so you can see how it's done. So actually I done it in different vehicles already. You can locate those videos in the library. And if you cannot, just send me a message so I can point you in the right direction, guys. And this is what we got today for this particular vehicle, the 2023, which this is where we're gonna put it. But basically it fits the 2015 to 2023 vehicles. And guys, LeatherTeck.com by airbag-safe make this possible for you without breaking the bank. This is not like thousands and thousands of dollars like when you go buy it directly from the manufacturer. You can end up paying about $6,000 to $12,000 on this upgrade, guys, with features that sometimes you don't even want. You just want leather. And if you have the lower version, guys, you can always upgrade with cooling and heating, 3 settings of cooling and heating, 3 settings of comfort for your ride, so you can be warm in the winter and fresh in the summer, guys. And all this is brought to you by airbag-safe. This is our LeatherTeck.com kit. And like and subscribe, guys, so you can see more transformations, so you can see techniques on how we do the installations for your beautiful leather interiors. Because, guys, we are demystifying the installation process. Is not that difficult, particularly for this car. It's very, very simple. So you will see in the tutorial video for this particular installation, guys. So like and subscribe, make an inquiry for your car, guys. Just ask for prices, because this is gonna cost you just a fraction the way you normally will pay in a dealership, and it's even cheaper than custom upholstery, because we have the know-how to save you thousands and thousands of dollars. We produce, these are produced in big quantities, guys, so we pass all the savings to you, and you don't have to worry about how I'm gonna clean it, how long it's gonna last, because we have you covered with 3 years, 36,000 miles of guarantee, guys. You don't have to worry about any of that, and we will help you constantly. We will support you in the installation process, in the buying process. You let me, guys. We have you covered. We want you to be happy, and this is our goal, 100% customer satisfaction. So look forward for that video, guys, so you can see how beautiful this is gonna be. And thank you for stopping by LeatherTeck.com, emupholsterytechnology.com. Beautiful vehicle. This is the Hemi. Fantastic vehicle. Proud owner. And guys, it's nothing wrong with this interior. Actually, it's a high-end interior from factory. This was equipped with Alcantara suede, which is this one right here. It has the door already been made in synthetic. It has the suede headliner and sunroof. This is not your average Charger. This is the Scat Pack, guys. But there is a situation here. The owner wants leather everywhere. So we're gonna get rid of the suede, because this is more like a custom choice for the client. So we're moving from black suede to ash inserts for this particular car, guys. Beautiful, beautiful interior. You have to see how it's gonna end up, guys, because you want to do these kind of transformations in your vehicles, guys. You want leather, and look at that beautiful interior. This is a custom design, guys, to match the factory design in this Scat Pack. It means it has a premium cost, absolutely. It's not the base level, by no means. And this is a request. It was nothing wrong with this interior. It was actually beautiful, in my opinion. But we are here to transform vehicles for our clients, not for me. So we will do what the client asks us to do, guys. And this one, guys, it can go in the 2016, 2015, actually, to the 2023. Guys, you can put this in the police, the RT, the Hellcat, the GT. Actually, if you have the Hellcat, you have to put the Hellcat instead of the Scat Pack logo. And guys, you want to do this transformation in your vehicle, LeatherTeck.com by emupholsterytechnology.com. You can order a factory kit or a custom design just like this one. We have over 60 different colors, combinations, contrast stitch, piping, special editions, custom patterns, custom embroidery, guys, diamonds, double hex, honeycombs, and many others. Exotic materials like ostrich. We have alligator, suede skin, you name it, at LeatherTeck.com by emupholsterytechnology.com. Guys, like and subscribe so you can see more transformations, techniques, and how to do installations for your beautiful leather seats at LeatherTeck.com by emupholsterytechnology.com. Because guys, we teach you how to do these installations. We are demystifying the installation process. It's not that difficult. Guys, visit emupholsterytechnology.com and fill up the contact form. We have a form right there in the website, guys. When you fill this form, guys, you're gonna get exclusive special prices and discounts only available for those in the list. This is like a exclusive club. So join, guys. Go to emupholsterytechnology.com and fill up the form so you can get notified and be part of this exclusive club and save a lot of money. The link is gonna be in the description too, so you can go there and save thousands or hundreds at least of dollars, thousands compared to the dealer prices when it comes to things like this. And if you have a special inquiry, please text me, call me. We have a contact widget in our website, so you can chat with us or you can call us directly. Depends what is that you need, guys. So we have you covered with custom interiors. Let me tell you something, guys, that we just start to do. If there is something that we don't have, we can make it. It's gonna have a premium cost because we have to do the patterns, we have to put everything in the computer, we have to digitize your interior. But as for now, we have basically all vehicles, all brands available. This is a big announcement, guys, because we used to exclude certain luxury brands. But as for today, guys, you can order anything for any vehicle in any year, in any color combination. This is a game changer, guys. So we have you covered 100%. No more excuses. Just remember, like I say, it's gonna be a premium cost because we have to digitize the patterns and make everything so it can run in the computers. Because guys, this is industrial process. It's custom make, but we pass the savings to you when we buy in bulk and we produce in bulk. So that's why we are able to offer you these prices and these guarantees. That's another peace of mind that you need to understand, guys. This is not just we make it and that's it, forget it. No, you have 3 years, and we are about to extend our guarantee from the 36,000 miles to 50,000 miles, guys. So now you have more reasons to upgrade to leather. So let me know in the comments what do you think about the new announcement. So 50,000 miles of guarantee, and now you can have virtually any car being produced in any kind of color, guys. So like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next project. I wanna see this interior again. It's so beautiful, guys. I just impressed for how beautiful it looks. Nothing compared to what you saw in the bench this morning. Get it, guys. You want this.